What if I told you that you could sell cute scarves like this, beautiful bracelets, or even trendy summer dresses without having any inventory by yourself? In this video, I'm going to show you simple step-by-step process right now. Let's get started. You can easily sell products by creating an online dropshipping business with Doba. It's a platform that connects you with suppliers so you can find amazing products and sell them directly to your customers. Over 3.2 million people are already using Doba. And the best part? You can integrate it with any platform you're already using, like your Shopify store, Amazon, or even your TikTok shop. It doesn't matter which niche you're passionate about. You can find high-profit products to dropship. For example, if you love fashion, you could sell a beautiful silk scarf like this one, or this beaded bracelet. If you're into home decor, you could choose a luxury-looking product like this velvet accent chair, or these super trendy hammock chairs. Just look at the prices here. You could easily sell these for around $100 in your store and make a great profit. Or find fashionable dresses like this to target the summer season. I love how we can easily find high-profit products here on Doba by clicking here, like this earth tones moss carpet, for your home decor online store. The best thing is you can list these products to your shop in just one click. Here, let me show you how. First, click the link in my description to go to the Doba website and click Get Started. Enter your details or just continue with Google to create your account. Once you're in, go to the Doba dashboard, select Stores, and click the Connect a New Store button. You can connect your Shopify store by installing the Doba AI Dropshipping app. You can also connect other platforms like TikTok Shop or WooCommerce. As you can see, I've already connected my Shopify store. Now for the fun part. Let's find a product. I'm going to search for hair scarf and choose this one. You can add it directly to your inventory list or click on it for more details. If all okay, click Add to Inventory List. Here, select or add a new tag like Women Fashion for organizing your inventory. You can do this for the other products you also wanted to add to the listing. After you finish choosing your products, just click Inventory List here. We can see everything we chose right here. Now, you could list them one by one. But the best thing about Doba is you can list multiple products at once by selecting them and clicking this List to Store button. Select your store and click Continue. Here, you'll add your titles and tags. You can even click the AI Optimizer button, and Doba's AI will suggest 3 great titles to choose from. How cool is that? After that, add your images and descriptions. You can use the AI Optimizer for the description too, but just keep in mind it requires 1 credit. After that, just click the List Now button. It takes just a few seconds. And we're done. The product is now live in the store. It's really that simple. But what if you're feeling stuck and have no idea what to sell? This is where another one of Doba's powerful AI features becomes a total game changer. Let me show you. In the dashboard, go to the AI Tool Hub and select AI Product Finder. Here, you can select a category to find trending products. For example, let's see what girls love these days. Instantly, it suggests several high-demand items. This pearl necklace is a perfect example. It's a classic, timeless style that's really popular right now. From here, the process is exactly the same as we did before. You can add it to your inventory and list directly to your store. Just like that, you have a data-driven way to find your next bestseller, so you never have to guess what to sell again. Okay, let's talk about pricing and find the right plan for you. I want to be transparent here so you can make the best choice for your business. If you're just starting out, the limited plan is perfect. It lets you connect one store and gives you everything you need to get your first products listed and make those exciting first sales without feeling overwhelmed. Once you start getting sales and you're ready to grow, you can upgrade to the standard plan. This is for when you want to scale up. It gives you a much larger listing capacity so you can add more products to your store. And it unlocks more of the powerful AI features, which means you'll save even more time on writing those product titles and descriptions. So, now that you've seen how easy it is to get started, I have a question for you. What's the one product you've always dreamed of selling? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to cheer you on. Go build your dream business.